Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about a 2-day trip to Mount Abu in Rajasthan, India. Mount Abu is located in the border of Rajasthan and Gujarat, the westernmost part of India, around 780 kilometers from Delhi. Let's get right into it. First up on the list is the Dilwara temples, which is a group of Shvetambara Jain temples located 2.5 kilometers away from city center. These temples are intricately designed marble temples and is the #1 go-to spot in Mount Abu. The intricate designs are surely something to be seen with the naked eye. Photography is prohibited inside of the temples. Next on the list is Gurushikar, which is the highest point of the Aravalli range at 1722 meters above sea level. The peak offers very scenic views of the entire place and is surely something not to be missed from your bucket list. There is also a temple located on top of the hill, as well as a few shops and small notable restaurants lining up the chain. Not forget to try out the rabri, which is a sweet condensed milk based dish that is a local specialty. While returning from Gurushikar, near the foothills you will find an amazing lake amidst the mountains. If you are traveling on your private vehicle or in a scooter, I would recommend that you stop here and enjoy the scenic beauty. This lake is the home to a lot of fishes, snakes and frogs. And there are some local villagers here selling fish food. You can easily spend about half an hour feeding the fish and relaxing yourself and enjoying the beauty of Mother Nature. Now, if you're up for watching some monkeys in action, I would recommend that you visit the Adhaar Devi temple, which is a small 20 minutes hike up a hill. The place provides you scenic views of the entire Aravalli range, but please be careful about the monkeys because they are quite active and extremely curious. After traveling 11 kilometers of relaxing countryside roads, you can arrive to this Achalgarh Fort, which is a really old fort built in the year 1452. This place is also located on top of a hill and you will need to climb a bunch of stairs before you can reach the site. It is recommended that you visit the fort during the sunset because the view from this place is amazing. However, if you're coming here with the expectations of seeing a huge fort, you will be utterly disappointed because what's left of the fort is almost nothing. There is also a small wildlife sanctuary which is located near Traverse Tank in Mount Abu. It is near to the city center and has a small forest trail leading to some rocky mountains and cliffs from where you can take amazing photos of the entire place. From the top you can see the entire reservoir filled with water. However, I did not come across any interesting animals in the sanctuary except for wild monkeys. There are multiple places where you can experience amazing scenic sunsets. One of these places is the Gomukh rock. Gomukh means cow, so this is basically a monolith rock which is in the shape of a cow's head. And from here you can get an amazing drone shot of the entire foothills surrounded by the mountains. There is also another place called the Sunset Point where you can get a similar view, and both of these places are almost equidistant from the city center. The sunset point is also easily accessible for people who might have trouble walking because there is a wheelchair facility. That being said, I feel that Mount Abu is a really good 2-day detour from your busy daily lives. It's an amazing place with a good balance between lakes, hills and the countryside. This place is best explored by renting your own car or a scooter. You can rent a scooter from Gujarat Travels. You can opt for the bus service, which takes you to all the notable places around Mount Abu, and the bus starts from 9:30 a.m. Here is a list of all the places you can visit from Mount Abu. Almost all the places are easily accessible and extremely relaxing. There's more to this place than this list can ever cover, and I think that each and every one of you who are visiting this place will have a different story to tell. Hi, my name is Orko and I'm an engineer by profession and a traveler by heart. On YouTube, I like to share my traveling experiences, hoping that it will help you prepare your itinerary and help you in your traveling experiences. So if you find my content useful, then do consider subscribing to my channel and do share, comment and like my videos. Stay tuned for more interesting content in my upcoming videos. Peace out.